How to use ChatGPT in WhatsApp. In order to use ChatGPT in WhatsApp, you can message OpenAI's official verified contact. This allows you to interact with the AI assistant directly with your chat, similar to sending a message to a friend. What you want to do is, first thing first, you have to OpenAI has provided an official WhatsApp number for direct messaging. So open up WhatsApp onto your device and you could tap on ChatGPT maybe. So here it is. You could go with the ChatGPT's update features, something like that. Okay. And now then you could now go with the Meta AI in order to actually go ahead and text, or you could just go ahead and use it. So you just want to open up new chat. You actually want to do is click on the new chat button. In the search for the contact you just saved, tap it to open the message threads. You want to ensure the profile has a verified blue tick to confirm it's official OpenAI bot, and type any query or prompt. You could write a recipe for a sourdough bread and wait for the response as well. You could also link your account. You can link your existing ChatGPT account by tapping the URL in a bot profile. This allows you to sync your chat history and access higher users limit if you are a plus user. So this way you'll be able to use ChatGPTs in WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.